आता एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लायसन्सिक सुद्धा काहीशे नॉर्म्स घातलेले आसा अंडर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्ट 2003. The Electricity Act 2003 stipulates that every distribution licensee must constitute a consumer grievance redressal forum under section 42 of 5 of the Electricity Act 2003 to provide a speedy and effective mechanism for resolving consumer complaints. आता तुम्ही म्हणटले हे CGRF आणि कितें आयलें? आता हे कंझ्युमर ग्रीव्हन्स रिड्रेसल फोरमाचे पावर्स आणि फंक्शन्स तरी कितें पळोवया. Point number 1. Receive and hear complaints from consumers regarding any deficiency in the quality, safety, or reliability of electricity supply, as well as billing disputes and unfair trade practices. Point number 2. Issue orders for the payment of compensation or refund of charges to consumers who have suffered losses or damages due to the action of distribution licensee or other parties. Point number 3. Summon and enforce the attendance of witness, examine them on oath, and require the production of documents and evidence relevant to the complaint. Point number 4. Pass orders for the discontinuation of unfair trade practices or the rectification of any deficiency in quality, safety, or reliability of electricity supply. Point number 5. Impose penalties on distribution licensees or other parties who violate the provisions of the Electricity Act 2003 or the regulations issued by JERC. Point number 6. Order the payment of interest on any delayed payment of compensation or refund of charges. Point number 7. Review and modify its orders in cases where new evidence or circumstances come to light. आता तुम्ही म्हणटले माझे बाबा कितें तरी ग्रीव्हन्स आसा म्हाका ते एड्रेस करपाक जाय हांवें तुजे CGRF जे आसा कंझ्युमर ग्रीव्हन्स रिड्रेसल फोरम हाका अप्रोच तरी करप कशें आनी हें जें ऑफिस गोंयान आसा तरी खंय. आता तुमकां जर हें ऑफिस खबर आसपाक जाय जाल्यार CGRF जे ऑफिस आसा ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट जे लायसन्स होल्डर आसा इन केस ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा हाजें ऑफिस आसा विद्युत भवन हांगासर नियर KTC बस स्टँड वास्को.